Hello, you are welcome and thank you for coming. If you're new here, you are welcome. Hello, you are welcome and thank you for coming. If you're new here, you're welcome.
Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming today. I touched my TV and I found out that my TV was so dusty. Hello, guys, this is a new week. Thank you for coming back. Happy weekend. So, I'm gonna be cleaning up my TV today. And guys, watch those videos to the end. This is the trip to clean your TV. If you found your TV dusty, just as mine today. So, this is the way you're gonna be cleaning up, and this one hanky that I'm gonna be using, and the hanky was so clean. What guys, make sure you use a clean hanky to wipe it off, okay? And I'm gonna be bringing a clean water in a little bowl. So this is a clean water that I'm gonna be using. Make sure that the water is so clean, and this is the water, and and I'm gonna be using it to clean it up. And then we are getting a little detergent, and we're gonna be pouring in detergent in the water. So I pour detergent in the water, then make sure that the detergent was foaming up in the water. So I'm gonna mix it up. What I will do here is just to mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Okay, so watch this video to the end. Don't skip the part of this video in case you get yourself in this kind of situation. This how to clean it up, and to make your TV last longer is also the strip. So that's my hanky that I'm gonna be using to wipe it off. So I soaked it, and I'll soak it, and then I'll press it off, press off the water, and then hanky. I'll make sure that I soak it so well, and then I shifted out the water so well. Make sure guys that you are shifting the water so well, so that there won't be a drop of water on the screen of your TV. So this is the way I shake it off, guys. Thank you for coming. If you find any of my video helpful, do it to subscribe and leave a comment below. Please like and comment. So this is where I'm cleaning it up. So I'm gonna be cleaning it up, cleaning it up, cleaning it up. Thank you for coming again. Thanks for my subscribers. Thanks for my returning subscribers. Thanks for the comment and thanks for the like. I love you all. Watch. I post videos every Friday, so you they come back next Friday to watch a new video of mine. So this is the trip I used to clean up my TV so clean. And then when I look at the hanky guys, watch it out, watch it out. This is so dusty and dirty. Yeah, this is so dusty, and you don't have to leave your TV to be so dusty like this. So sometimes you're gonna clean it up. Yeah, look at it, guys. Look at what I got. No, that's not good at all. So I have to wipe it off, wipe it off, wipe it off, wipe it off. So let's go watch this video to the end. Don't skip. Axio cleaning it, don't too press on the screen, don't press it so much so your TV won't get cracked. Just softly clean up the screen, softly and softly. So I won't advise you to be bringing down your TV and clean it. Just leave it up there and then clean it so well, because you might not be an expert to hang it up there. So I just clean it off like this, and that's the way I clean it. Use the strip to clean it off, so you won't get any damage on your TV. Thank you for coming. Come clean it off, clean it off. Off. That's it, guys. Watch me when I clean it up. And then that's it. I'm gonna be also soaking it again on the water. I soak it up. So you squeeze it so well, squeeze it, guys, so that There will be no drop of water. Squeeze it so well. Squeeze it. And then you go for the second ride again to clean it off the second time. So clean it off again. Make sure that you're cleaning it so softly guys, softly on the screen so you won't get any damage. Just clean it softly and slowly. Thank you. Watch to the end. So in case you find any of my video helpful and you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment below. I post video every Friday, so you're gonna come back next week Friday to watch my new video. And I just want to say thank you for spons for coming. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for the likes. I probably love you all. Thank you. So I'm gonna be seeing you guys next Friday. As you can see, my TV was so clean and clean right now. There's no dust again. So I love you guys and bye. I'm gonna be seeing you next Friday. Bye guys. See you next Friday. Bye.